Infiniti has announced its return to the Canadian International Auto Show, showcasing 2 concept vehicles and a full lineup of 2024 models from February 16 to 25 at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre. Alfonso Albaisa, Senior Vice President of Global Design at Nissan Motor Ltd, will provide insights during the media day. The Canadian premiere of the INFINITI QX Monograph concept highlights the brand's future styling direction, teasing the next-generation flagship QX80. Bold proportions and distinctive design elements, such as the evolved double-arched grille and digital piano key lighting, are unveiled. The Vision QE concept, making its global auto show debut in Canada, previews Infiniti's first all-electric model. A sleek fastback sedan with a low and wide profile, full-width, digital piano key lighting, and striking machine-finished wheels define its captivating aesthetics. A strategic alignment with the brand's recent updates in visual identity, retail architecture, and multi-sensory signature signifies a comprehensive refresh. This product renaissance marks a new dawn for Infiniti as it accelerates towards its long-term plan, Ambition 2030. The stage is set for innovation and design evolution, emphasizing the brand's commitment to a dynamic automotive future.